going on, guys? My name is Joey Biagas and I'm an audio engineer and musician of about 7 years now. And today I'm going to show you how to soften the sound of an instrument. And for this example, I'm going to be using a guitar, acoustic guitar. So normally, acoustic guitar would sound kind of like this. Alright, you get the point. Now let's kind of soften it up. Now one way is to kind of basically just strum softer. Don't try to hit the strings so hard. So let's try that now. See how that kind of sounds a little bit softer, not so harsh? Now another way to soften the sound is to not use a guitar pick and just use your thumb, like so. Cool? Now one last way is to palm mute it. Now this will create a little bit of a different sound, but it will soften the sound as well. And to create that is basically using your palm right here and placing it on top of the strings a little bit above the bridge here. So that kind of mutes the strings, but you can still hear it when you're strumming with your guitar pick. So that's pretty much it. 3 different ways on how to soften an instrument, in this example, an acoustic guitar. And if you do have any other questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.